Meet CloudZoo ERP, built for the way garment factories really run. From knitted to woven, plan every step with clarity. Turn buyer orders into smart plans, materials, timelines, and capacities aligned. Track each stage in real time: yarn, dyeing, cutting, stitching, finishing, and packing. Stay accurate with batch-wise inventory and barcode-ready stores. Balance capacity, prevent bottlenecks, and commit realistic delivery dates. Built-in quality control triggers rework before issues ship out. See true costs: fabric, trims, labor, and overhead, no surprises. Ship faster with integrated billing, e-invoices, and dispatch paperwork. Your command center, margins, timelines, and rework, live at a glance. And for engineering manufacturers, BOM revisions, work orders, and QC-gated stores. On the shop floor, get mobile updates and instant supervisor approvals. Tie it all to accounts, receivables, payables, and GST in sync. CloudZoo ERP, from order to dispatch, done right. Book a quick demo today.